Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some ideas for my daughter's 13th tropical pedicure theme birthday party. For those of you who have kiddos that are into pedicure and you're having a hard time finding party ideas for this particular theme, all of the balloon arrangements and party decorations was done by Fly High Balloons Creations, which is owned by my mom. She did such a beautiful job. I'll be sure to leave the links to her business page in the description box down below. The pineapple backdrop was purchased from Amazon. If your kids are into pedicure, you're going to have to DIY almost everything. This theme is really hard to find. I created all of her custom pedicure party favors over on Canva using my blank templates. You can find all of the blank templates over on our website, and I show you how to make a majority of them yourself here on our YouTube channel. I was able to find a pre-made birthday cake at my local grocery store that matched her theme perfectly. At the Dollar General, I found this adorable light up happy birthday cake topper and candles for just a few dollars. Fly High Balloons Creations is based in Louisiana, so if you're in the area, you definitely want to go check them out and book them for your next event. I'll be sure to leave my mom's Facebook business page in the description box down below. Alright guys, I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.